welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 17th to the 21st of October 2022 on Monday. Madongwe is given strict instruction for the ransom drop off on Tuesday. Madongwe gives in to the kidnappers' demand. Mr. Mbata throws Sondo out like yesterday's trash, but she strikes back, hitting him where it hits the most, his pockets, on Wednesday. Nomaswazi makes a brave move against Putin, aka Mthambisi. Phakathi and Nosipho, as attempt at repairing broken bridges yield no fruit. Sondo is shocked by Mbata's idea of breaking up on this day. MaMlambo tells Njinji that the wrath of her ancestors is upon her. Mondli refuses to forgive Nosipho. Sondo threatened to expose Mbata for the fake pastor he is on Friday. Mthambisi keeps proving to be the perfect man for Kapsile. Mrs. Madlala's kidnappers get more aggressive. Mbata pushes for the exit at the school, but why? Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.